put it auto, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go check it out. This one here I gotta fix. So we're talking right here. That baby needs fixing. So you can see it's water squirting out of the bottom. I've got a lot of leakage here, which is not good. So we got to get that fixed, and then I got to straighten this guy out. He is not doing too good. All right, so let's go turn it off. So here it is here, and I got to get the whole thing out of there. So I'm gonna have to do a little digging. I don't want to screw anything up, so I got to be careful. Right, so I'm gonna let the water recede, and then we'll take a look at her. Let's see if I can get this to come off of here. I don't really like the way this is set up, but we'll see. That just does not want to come out of there. Now the question is, can I unscrew this? Oh, here we go. All right, I think we're cool. All right, we can do it like that. All right, so now we just got to go to Home Depot. We got to find this and screw her on. All right, so there's our system right there, and we just got to go get our piece, screw it on, and then fill it in. And of course, every trip is we're getting a plant, and we're going to Home Depot, and we're buying this self-checkout. Home Depot. So really all we need to do is just, screw this on. This is the side that goes in. And all I've got to do is just set it on there. And I'm just going to make sure that I don't cross thread it. Okay. Just going to get it on there. And you want to get it on pretty tight. And then we can adjust it later. That's it right there. And then we'll have to adjust this. Okay, I don't think I need to really go any deeper than that. And now I've just got to put the dirt back in. And then we should be good. As I do this, I'm going to try to set it so that it's in the right spot. It's weird. Where'd all the dirt go? It's weird, like, where'd all the dirt go? They should have more to top it off right there. I might have to dig some out of here. Might have to get the bigger spade to do it. But let's go ahead and let's clean her up a little bit. So we got to go turn it on and see which way it's shooting, because I got to fix it if it's not the way I need it. So I don't know. When this pops up, I've got to kind of there's a little thing in here. I got to get a little screwdriver and then turn it so that I have it pointed in the right direction. All right, so back to the system. It's on auto. I'm going to go ahead and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's go look and see how it's doing. So I got to turn this way. There we go. And I got to open it up. It's not wide enough, is it? I wonder if I can get it wider. I think that'll work for now. All right, let's go ahead and turn her off.